Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Honda Civic Sport, the clean CARFAX. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Okay, and you see that it does have LED headlight surrounds and fog lights. And those LED headlight surrounds don't flicker the human eye. That's a refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. You see that it does have alloy wheels. Sport fabric interior. There's a sneak peek of the interior, and there is a spare tire under that deck. Okay, there's a shot of that VIN, and I will upload some still photos, as I know I go through this fairly quickly. But you see this does have a carbon fiber look to it that goes across the dash. Okay, the stereo.
Interview candidates from the same place.
That sounds good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and see what all the sources are. So you have FM and AM, and then you can also connect your phone via Bluetooth or USB. Okay, and then if you want to see the backup camera, there it is, in reverse, and it is an HD camera. And you see that this is a 6-speed standard transmission. Okay, and as you come down here, you'll see that it has 41,543 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your trip computer toggles and your stereo controls. Then you've got your cruise control and your lane keep as well. Come down here and you've got your econ, park brake, and your cup holders. And this armrest slides forward and backwards, which is super nice. And then here is your hardwire Bluetooth, MP3 as well, the USB port. And as you come up above, you'll see that you do have the dark film across the top of the windshield. And then up here you've got your map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this little Honda on the interior. Go ahead and show you the sport pedals right there. Alright, as I mentioned before, this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.